This is how we got unlimited train rides the whole Japan. And it starts with one magic ticket, the JR Pass. Imagine, unlimited train rides across Japan including the super fast Shinkansen or bullet train. So nakapunta kami sa Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, you name it, all thanks to this JR Pass. So pumunta kami sa Tokyo using the Shinkansen from city to city, also sa Kyoto and sa Osaka. Hindi lang yun kasi nakagamit din kami ng JR Pass sa local train rides sa Tokyo. And na-discover namin yung mga hidden gems. Papunta kaming Akihabara, sa Shibuya, and so on. Nakuha namin yung JR Pass through Klook. And guess what? Nakuha namin siya for 11,000 pesos plus. Magtataas na daw yung presyo ng JR Pass. Kaya guys, kung magplano kayo ng trip papuntang Japan, don't miss the JR Pass.